Hey everyone. Fingers crossed that I get out of here today. Yeah, even when the schedule goes a little sideways, thank you for following along for the updates. And thank you for understanding and appreciating when I'm joyful, even on days that it seems like I shouldn't be, during times that it feels like we can't be. There's a lot of questions about that, and they'll probably, I don't know, maybe we'll address that in another video, a longer video at some point. You see a lot more of that on social media from me, on Instagram even, honestly, some of the things I post or repost. Remember, permission to feel joy isn't something you need to ask for, and it's not something you need to justify. Yeah, there's horrendous things happening right now. I'm not just talking about a flight delay. However, joy can coexist with your outrage and fear and strength. It has to, in fact. It is a force multiplier for all the other things. I am very fortunate to be surrounded by so much love and support and kindness from y'all, from Tara, from Emily, from everyone, right? Getting to just go back to a house where I could stretch out, have a lovely and healthy dinner, see some people, and get not a full night's sleep, get 4 hours of sleep. That's an incredibly fortunate thing. Having people around me to help with that keeps me joyful. What keeps you joyful? Know what it is. Whether that's making music or art. Someone I know in Seattle, Jess, she posted a lot recently about making art and how that is how she works through a lot of things. A lot of my artist friends. In fact, it wouldn't be a bad idea if you can find it. Maybe I'll drop a link somewhere to a file share somewhere if I can find one. Look up Howard Zinn's Artists in a Time of War. Look up anything by Howard Zinn, honestly, but Artists in a Time of War. I haven't listened to that lecture in a decade, maybe more. Maybe it's time we revisit that one. Or maybe it's just time you tell me, in this era, 2025, how do you find your joy? Even when it feels like you're not having a joyful day. It makes a difference. You make a difference to others and to me. All right. Regularly scheduled security stuff coming up soon. Loads of updates. I always say that. And I deliver. I keep giving you the Monday videos. Sometimes you get bonus videos. Like these. Bonus time. All right. I'm tired. I am... Ooh, that's fucking hot. I've got a shower. I've got some breakfast. And I got a plane to catch. I'll see you on the internet. Stay safe out there.